2026 Porsche Taycan represents the next evolution in Porsche's all-electric sports sedan lineup. A car that doesn't just aim to compete in the EV world, but to dominate it. From the very first glance, it's clear that the Taycan has been crafted to blend futuristic technology with Porsche's iconic design DNA. Sleek, aerodynamic, and muscular, every curve of this car is engineered for both beauty and performance. The front end is lower and wider than before, with matrix LED headlights seamlessly integrated into its body, giving it a confident and aggressive presence on the road. Subtle design updates like a refined rear light bar and new wheel options complete the 2026 refresh, while Porsche's aerodynamic efficiency ensures that form always follows function. Step inside, and the cabin feels like something from the future, yet unmistakably Porsche. You're greeted by a wraparound digital cockpit that now features improved OLED displays with sharper contrast and a faster interface. The driver's display, central infotainment screen, and passenger side screen all work in harmony, creating an immersive, tech-rich environment. Sustainable materials are now more prominent. Recycled microfibers, vegan leather options, and responsibly sourced wood trims, all without compromising on luxury. Ambient lighting, customizable driving modes, and a panoramic glass roof add to the sense of modern sophistication. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies Porsche's next-generation electric powertrain. The 2026 Taycan now offers more efficiency, longer range, and faster charging thanks to its upgraded 800-volt architecture. With an extended, range-exceeding 500 kilometers on a single charge, and a 0-80% charge time of under 20 minutes at a compatible fast charger, the Taycan continues to set benchmarks for practicality in the performance EV world. Power output varies, depending on the trim, but even the base version delivers a breathtaking punch, while the Turbo and Turbo S models push the limits with over 750 horsepower and instant torque that launches the car from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds. It's not just fast, it's ferociously precise. Driving the Taycan is an experience that redefines electric performance. Porsche's signature handling is very much alive here. The car feels planted yet agile, with adaptive air suspension and torque vectoring that make every corner feel like a calculated maneuver. The electric steering system provides feedback that's rare in EVs, connecting the driver to the road with uncanny precision. Even with all its power, the Taycan remains remarkably quiet and composed, but a selectable electric sports sound gives enthusiasts that satisfying growl when they crave emotion behind the motion. Porsche has also taken connectivity and technology to the next level in the 2026 Taycan. The infotainment system now runs on Porsche's latest software, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even native apps like Spotify and YouTube. Over-the-air updates keep the car's features evolving, while new AI-assisted driver aids enhance safety without compromising the sense of control. The Taycan's driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an enhanced autonomous driving mode for highway conditions. Charging infrastructure has become a central focus for Porsche, and with the 2026 model, owners can enjoy the convenience of Porsche's high-speed charging network, ensuring minimal downtime. For home charging, the new wallbox supports smart aid scheduling to optimize electricity costs, a small but thoughtful touch for daily use. What sets the Taycan apart from most electric vehicles is its spirit. The unmistakable Porsche feel that combines emotion, engineering, and exclusivity. This isn't just another EVA, it's a sports car that happens to be electric. It bridges the gap between traditional driving passion and the clean, silent future of mobility. The 2026 model's design refinements, expanded range, and lightning performance make it more desirable than ever. In a world where many electric cars feel similar, the Porsche Taycan still stands out as something special. A car that makes every journey feel like an event, every acceleration a thrill, and every charge a step into the future. Whether you're a Porsche loyalist or an EV enthusiast looking for excitement without compromise, the 2026 Taycan isn't just a car to drive. It's a statement to live by.